What you doing, nigga?
Still right here at the school.
What you about to get into?
I don't know, bro. We about to get ready to smoke right now.
What's up, cuz? Come match.
Huh?
Come match.
Here I am, Mr. Slim, Mackin', bitch, I'm on Mackin', and I ain't trippin', you know that I be pimpin'. Catch a nigga slippin', I'ma empty that extension. Here I go to the liquor store. I got a swisher, now you know I'm looking for some dro. I got the drink, nigga. I say who got the bowl? Who got some money, nigga? Cause I'm tryna get some more. There they go by the liquor store. I want the nigga in the black hat and red coat. I'm done talking. Shoot him in the spine, now he's no longer walking. Fuck it, better yet off him. Shoot him in his head, close casket with the coffin. Ugh.